If you're in Karnataka, your beer just got significantly cheaper. This is because of the new excise policy rolled out by the state government on May 11. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced in the 2026-27 budget that alcohol will now be taxed based on its strength. Karnataka has become the first state in the country to adopt this policy. Why was this decision taken and what does it mean for the consumer like you? Let's find out. On May 11th, the State Excise Department of Karnataka rolled out a new structure for the excise duty on alcohol. According to this new regime, duty will now be levied on the alcohol in beverage AIB across all categories of spirit. So, drinks with higher alcohol content will become costlier and ones with less alcohol will become cheaper. This move was made keeping in mind the social cost of alcohol, from health reasons to increase in the cases of domestic violence or road accidents. The government aims to nudge people to consume lower alcohol drinks like beer as opposed to stronger spirits. The move also comes after a World Health Organization advisory that the taxation on alcohol should be harm proportionate, meaning the stronger the drink, the more the tax. An expert tells us how the policy works. The excise duty will be levied on how many milliliters of alcohol a bottle has, as opposed to the previous policy that taxed based on the volume, regardless of the kind of spirit inside. As a result, the price of beer has gone down. For example, a 650 ml bottle of Kingfisher Ultra that was earlier priced at 225 rupees will now be priced at 150 rupees. However, a spirit which is stronger in its alcohol content like Old Monk Rum, which used to be 765 rupees, will now be priced at 850 rupees. But does that mean that bars and restaurants in the state will also slash rates on menus? That is a call that each property will take based on its overheads. One bar manager told us that customers can expect some bars and restaurants in Bengaluru to reduce prices on select drinks and alcohol menus. Overall, the reduction may not be dramatic, but customers could see slightly better pricing or more value-driven offers going forward. Another bar owner explained that costs are rising for the industry with the LPG crisis and rising food costs. For premium tap rooms, bars and restaurants, spirits sales contribute roughly to only 20 to 25%. So decreasing the prices may not be on the cards. Industry insiders are lauding the move, saying this is the way alcohol is taxed all over the world. For the Karnataka state government to have adopted the global taxation principles despite their dependence on this revenue is quite commendable. What do you think about this new policy? Let us know in the comments. For more such videos and stories, keep following The Hindu.